Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you this 2019 Rockwood A214 high wall. So different between some of the other A-frame units, it's going to have a high wall area here to give you a little bit more space. As we go inside, you're going to kind of see that. So you also have a nice big storage unit up front where you could fit some coolers, maybe a small, some small camping gear. Right over here. So there's your storage area, and you got a couple little things to hold that up as well. Room for 2 propane tanks. It's got a power front ton jack. Your batteries will go right over here. 30 amp service, so when you're plugged in. More storage. And on this one, you're going to have the Dexter axles, 5-year warranty on that. Aluminum framed with fiberglass, single axle, so lightweight. And it's going to have the power ram system here to help you put this A-frame up and down. As we come inside, you're going to notice that you've got a giant bed area back here that's going to sleep 2 people. A nice big dinette. Sink, 2-burner stove. And a fridge freezer combination as well. Over here you're going to have your toilet area, and really easy to put up and down. You also have a furnace on this, a Bluetooth system so you can run your stereo. Nice to get off of the grid, super lightweight. You can tow this with a lot of small trucks or small SUVs. So if you're interested in this high wall, give Brandon Reagan a call at Guaranty RV 541-214-0223 and have a great day.